The Samsung Internet Browser for Z Fold 7 is a new piece of software available on the Galaxy Store that mistakenly reveals the future Galaxy Z Fold 7. The Z Fold 7's unique branding makes it obvious who its target market is. This browser is Samsung's proprietary substitute for Chrome and other mobile browsing platforms. A number of anticipated launch features, including customized interfaces and integrated ad blocking, are described in the listing, which is still available. The main takeaway from this development is that it probably validates the names of the two devices that we anticipate. This app, however, makes no mention of the previously conjectured Galaxy Z Fold Ultra. Samsung has revealed its plans to create a foldable device with an emphasis on artificial intelligence. This statement, however, just mentioned that a high-end foldable is on the horizon without offering an official name or debut date. There are some intriguing features about the next-generation foldable lineup that have been revealed by recent leaks. Possible Galaxy Z Fold 7 specifications and color variations have been revealed by a recent round of reports. A base configuration of 12GB RAM and 256GB of storage is anticipated for the Z Fold 7, with further possibilities including 12GB RAM and 512GB in a top-tier model with 16GB RAM and 1TB of storage. With storage options of 128GB, 256GB, and 512GB, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 is expected to come with either 8 or 12GB of RAM. The actual release of the Z Fold 7 may not be far off, as this new app listing suggests. According to numerous insiders, a Galaxy Unpacked event is scheduled for July. This app does not mention the Galaxy Z Fold 7 Ultra, but as Samsung grows its flagship foldable portfolio, it appears that at least one other foldable model will be released alongside it. Samsung previewed a more powerful version of the Galaxy Z Fold in a promotional movie and confirmed plans to release it on June 3. Although it lacked many technical details, the teaser made clear how important AI will be to the Galaxy Z Fold Ultra. Samsung claims that the device will include smooth AI-driven software tailored for the foldable form factor, industry-defining components, and outstanding performance benchmarks. Advanced Galaxy AI features designed for this format are planned to transform the device into an immersive entertainment screen, a large workspace, or a multitasking hub after it has unfurled. Samsung teased a next-generation camera system in addition to AI innovation, which fueled rumors that the primary sensor would compete with the 200-megapixels lens seen in the recently released Galaxy S25 Ultra and S25. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.